Hey Jaguars, welcome to another day at Jefferson where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. It's time for our weekly announcements for February 1st through February 5th, 2021. Our menu for the week is as follows. Monday, muffin yogurt string cheese. Tuesday, hot dog. Wednesday, vegetable beef soup and grilled sandwich. Thursday, crispy chicken on a bun. And Friday, there is no school due to parent-teacher conference day. So since Friday was already a scheduled day for students not to be in school, there will not be food pickup or food delivery available on Friday. There have been some changes to our FAQ sheet for COVID-19, so please familiarize yourself with these changes posted on this slide. If you have not turned in your Heart Challenge envelope, please make sure you turn that in to Mrs. Statham today. Congratulations to Darren Trent, who was named Jefferson Teacher of the Year. He has served the students of Jefferson Elementary for 10 years and is always willing to help step in whenever needed. He was chosen by his teaching peers. Congratulations, Mr. Trent. You make us Jaguar proud. Parents, do you feel like your child is safe online? Come join us Tuesday, February 2nd, and join the Child Advocacy Prevention Educational Coordinator, Amanda White, for a very informative session. It begins at 9 a.m. and concludes at 10 a.m. The link is posted on this slide. We will also send this link out Monday afternoon through Class Dojo. The online world is changing rapidly, so log on Tuesday and learn ways to help you guide your children when using technology. On Friday, February 5th, is Parent-Teacher Conference Day. Parents, if you have not already scheduled a time and you would like to speak with your child's teacher, please contact your child's teacher through Class Dojo or email to schedule a time. Students, remember, there will not be school for you in person or virtually on Friday, so enjoy your day. And now it's time to celebrate some awesome Jaguars who are having a birthday this week. Celebrating a birthday on February 1st in 2nd grade is Silas H., February 2nd in 4th grade, Jace D., and 4th grade, Rain S., and Mrs. Fry, one of our 4th grade teachers. Celebrating a birthday on February 3rd in 4th grade is Shiley C., on February 4th in 3rd grade, Oliver A., 4th grade, Will W., and also in 4th grade, Cole W. Celebrating a birthday on February 5th in kindergarten, Maddox D., 1st grade, Jack P., in kindergarten, Jeremiah S., in kindergarten, Jonah S., and celebrating a birthday on February 5th in 1st grade is Layla B. Happy birthday, Jaguars, and enjoy celebrating your birthday. We are so glad you were created. Let's celebrate our leaders of the week. In kindergarten, Maddie B., Kelly D., Quinn J. In 1st grade, Grayson A., Evie L., Keena N., and Keener V. In 2nd grade, Kylie G., Braxton H., Griffin I., and Arissa P. In 3rd grade, Lucy Kate G., Alex H., and Jaden K. In 4th grade, Kendall A., Isaac C., EC M., and Isaac Y. And in 5th grade, Ariana A., Sophia L., and Abby M. Congratulations to all of our leaders of the week. You do make us Jaguar proud. Keep taking the lead. Now join me for some words of wisdom. This week is National School Counseling Week all across the nation. You know, as we've talked about in Counselor Connection, it is just as important to take care of our mental health as it is taking care of our physical health. Jaguars, when big feelings come to visit, it's important to choose coping strategies to keep us grounded and calm. Then we have a better chance of finding positive solutions for our problems. Jaguars, have you ever taken a moment to be still and think about past experiences that led you to where you are? Maybe attending a field trip to an art museum or encouraged you to hone in on your passion for drawing and painting. Perhaps reading about characters in your favorite book inspired you to research ancient civilizations. Maybe not getting enough rest the night before a big test led you to perform less than your best. Bottom line, many experiences and choices we make can help us learn wise lessons that can help or hinder our future. Remember, making inside the boundary choices will keep you safer and connect you to others in positive ways. As Dr. Seuss says, be sure that when you step with care and great tact. And remember that life's a great balancing act. And will you succeed? Yes, yes, you will indeed. Jaguars, did you know helping others is one way to help you stay mentally healthy? When we have gained lessons through life experiences and situations, many times we hold them close to us. Don't get me wrong, sometimes these lessons are private and should remain confidential. However, there are times when a lesson that you've learned, if you share it, it can help a fellow student. So here are some examples. When you learn about a more effective way to take notes to prepare for an upcoming exam, share it. When you discover a better way to tackle time management challenges, share it. When you find better ways to be a friend, share it. This is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor. Jaguars, your mental health is up to you. Make wise choices, stay connected to others, and reach out for help. You will be glad you did. And now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.